Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Tech Infosys. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can uninstall your Agoda application from your device. Keep watching the video till the end. To uninstall your Agoda application from your device, firstly go ahead and launch open your app list. From the app list, search for Agoda application and long press on it. Three options will pop up on the screen, that is pin to top, uninstall and app information. Tap on uninstall option. Confirm on installation of your Agoda application by tapping on OK from the pop-up. It will uninstall your application from your device in no time. This is how you can uninstall your Agoda application from your device quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for further updates. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, just go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down any suggestions or improvements to be made to our channel by commenting on the comment box. We will be looking forward to upload more contents and tutorials on the upcoming video for your convenience. Thank you so much for watching.